Have you ever noticed the effects of humidity? Studies have shown that people sleep better in a room with 50% humidity. Stay tuned to find out how to pick the right dehumidifier for your home. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development here at AccuLevel. You may be looking for a dehumidifier for the first time, or you may just want to make sure that you have the right one for your home. In this video, I'll explain how to pick the right dehumidifier for your home. But before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. A dehumidifier's single purpose is to take humidity out of the air. So it is sucking in the air around that dehumidifier, it's taking the humidity out and spitting the drier air back out into the space, therefore just bringing down the whole humidity of the affected area where that dehumidifier is at. When you're looking at a dehumidifier to help with the moisture content in the air for your entire home, the whole home is the only way to go. The portable ones do a great job in a very small space. You almost think of them as the window air conditioning units. Rarely do they do a great job to condition an entire home, but they can make one single room extremely cool or even cold. The same works for dehumidifiers. Making sure that you have a dehumidifier that has the right coverage area for your home is one of the most important things you can do when you're looking for dehumidifiers. It depends on the space that you're trying to dehumidify. So if it is just one room where you have a high moisture content, then a smaller dehumidifier that you get at your local department stores might be the right solution. However, most of the time you have a higher humidity throughout your entire home. So you're going to want to look for more of a commercial brand such as what we offer, the AprilAirs. These take up to a coverage of nearly 5,000 square foot with a single unit. And they're much more set it and forget it units. They don't need the everyday maintenance, the emptying of buckets that you get with more of the portable ones or even the ones that you get at your department stores. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about dehumidifiers for your home? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.